you're talking to. Be careful when you're walking into view. Be careful when you're walking into view. Falls through without you. I'm coming back, love, call Heathcliff, my one dream, my only master. Dirty story of a dirty man. His clinging wife doesn't understand. His son is working for the Daily Man. It's a steady job, but he wants to be a paperback writer. Paperback writer. I think it's gonna be a long, long time till touchdown brings me round again to find I'm not the man they think I am at home. Oh no, I'm a rocket man. Rocket man, burning out his fuse up here alone. This is ground control to Major Tom. You really made the grade. Papers want to know whose shirts you wear. It's time to leave the capsule if you dare. This is Major Tom to ground control. I'm stepping through the door. Pleased to meet you. Hope you guess my name. What's puzzling you? Nature of my game.